Good morning, students. Welcome to English Dizzy Lessons. This is in Sanjay Reddy, SCA English, ZPHS Ambarpet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal. As part of our Dizzy Lessons, today we are going to learn how to write passive voice sentences. This is useful for classes 6th class to 10th class students. Passive voice. In passive voice, subject is not given importance, but object is given importance in passive voice. The doer is not important. Who is not important, but what happened is important. When the sentence given in active voice, before writing that sentence into passive voice, we should remember some points. One of them is find out the verb in the given sentence. Then the verb should be written in past participle form. If you can find out the verb, then you have to know the past participle of that verb. Find out the subject in the sentence, then find out the object in the sentence. The verb should be written in the past participle form as told earlier. Examples. Here are some examples, only some examples. Eat, ate, eaten. Such words, past tense and past participle, they are different words. And some other words like clean, pay, catch, and buy. Only these are only some examples only. They have same words, past tense and past participle. And some words like cut, put, all the words same. That means, and in that sentence, in the given sentence, look if there is be form or helping verb in the sentence. Be form or helping verbs such as here, be forms such as am, is, was, are, were. And helping verb, these are also called auxiliary verbs. Let us see them. Can, could, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, need. If in the given sentence such type of words are there, then we have to write different words. Or if there is no such be form or auxiliary verb or helping verb, we have to write in different way. If there is no be form, we should write suitable be form in that sentence, passive voice sentence. And we use four be forms in that case. They are is, are, if the given verb is in present tense, and was, were, if the given verb is in past tense. Here let us see one example. Kamal repaired the mobile phone. In this sentence the verb is repaired and the object is the mobile phone, and we don't see any be form in this sentence such as am, is, are, was, were, or any other helping verb such as can, shall, will, or their past tenses. So we should write be form in the passive voice sentence. And here you see the verb is in the past tense. So past tense means we have two chances, that is was or were. One of these two words should be used. That is based on the object we write. The mobile phone, and it is written in the place of subject. The mobile phone, it is singular, so we write was. The mobile phone was repaired. The past participle form of the verb repaired is also repaired. Repair, repaired, repaired. Here the sentences changes like this. The mobile phone here object that becomes subject here, and the verb repaired will become was repaired. And this is the sentence. Like this we complete the sentence. The mobile phone was repaired by. Here let us see one more example. Murthy founded the software company Infosys. In this sentence, the verb is founded, and you see that is in the past tense. And the object is the software company Infosys. And do you see any B form in this sentence? No, there is no B form. So we should write B form in the passive voice sentence. So as it is in the past tense, we have two options, that is was or were. And let us see, this was written as subject to the software company Infosys. It is singular, so we should write was. The software company Infosys was founded. And the verb changed like this. The total sentence. The software company Infosys was founded by Murthy. Here I am giving you two sentences. Actually, there is no need of writing the subject in the object list, but it is sometimes in the examination it will be asked. So we are learning two things. Here is an example. Go through it. C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. In this one, the verb is discovered and the object is Raman effect. And here there is no B form, so we write B form in passive voice. Then let us see what are the words can be written. As it is in the past tense, the verb is in the past tense and there is no B form. So we have these two options. So here Raman effect, that is singular, so we wrote was discovered. Raman effect was discovered by C.V. Raman. Here go through the another example given here. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Geetanjali, and here verb is wrote and the object is Geetanjali. And here also there is no B form in the sentence, so we should write B form in the sentence. Here again only two options, was and were, because that is in the past tense. So Geetanjali was written. Geetanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Here go through the one more example. His mother invented a plastic device. And if you write the passive sentence of this active voice sentence, here that is. But before that, we should find out whether we should use was or were, because it is mandatory in a passive voice that the verb should be written in the form of using B form when there is no B form, such as is, are, was, were. Out of these four, we should use one word. And it was in the past tense, so we have two chances, that is was and were. Here a plastic was invented, plastic device was invented. Here plastic device singular, so we used was. A plastic device was invented by his mother. School children teased Nick. Here the passive form of this word. Nick was teased. Nick was teased by school children. Here another. His parents encouraged him. You see there is no B form and it is in the past tense. If we write that in the passive voice, we have to concentrate on was and were. Here the case is past tense and there is no B form. He was encouraged. He was encouraged by his parents. Here him changed as he. Be careful. And Nick read a newspaper article and it's a passive form. A newspaper article was read. A newspaper article was read by Nick. Here Murthy submitted the application passive voice of this sentence can be written with using, as you know, this is in the past tense and no be form here. So we have two chances again, was or were. The application was submitted. The application was submitted by Murthy. Here one more example. Murthy cleared his friend's doubts. And here again it is in the past tense and no be form. Again we have these two options, was, were. Passive form. His friend's doubts were cleared. His friend's doubts were cleared by Murthy. And here Murthy solved the problems. Passive form of this word can be written as this using one of these two words. The problems were solved. The problems were solved by Murthy. Here let us see another example. He called his son, and passive form of this sentence, his son was called, and his son was called by him. Here you see he changed as him when it is comes in the place of object. In the previous sentence we have seen that him changed as he. I hope you understood it very well. Now you can write the sentences in passive voice very easily. We have learnt only one model of sentences writing in passive voice. In coming videos, I will tell you more about passive voice sentences. Like the video and share it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.